Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an affordable centerpiece for any special occasion. We purchased these glass vases from the Dollar Tree. This is a larger one and this is I would say medium size. It's not small, but you can clearly see that there's a difference. And then of course these glass gems come from the dollar store as well. One bag is only $1 and you only need one bag for two vases so that we split it in half. These particular gems are clear ones. You can get different colors, but we prefer the clear so that it can match with any decor color. Just place them in the bottom of the vase. And then you can get some submersible tea lights. This is optional if you want to light up the glass vase. So these I purchased on Amazon in a package of 36. Pretty affordable. And you just have to unscrew them, take the little paper out of the contact area where the battery is, and then when you want to turn it on, you just twist it back on like that, and then place it in the center of the vase. Try to hide it with the glass gems. You could add more glass gems if you want, but if you want to save money, you just obviously you can do this. And then we're gonna cover this too. Try to place it like as much as you can, and then from the Dollar Tree, get some flowers, some fake flowers. You can mix and match. Just pick out whatever colors that match your theme. What we did was we took the flowers. Right here, this is going to be for the larger vase. And then this particular one is going to be for the smaller vase. And we thought that it would look nice, but you could do whatever you want, obviously. And then you just want to put them together and then like twist them and use some floral tape that also is from the Dollar Tree. Just like this, so that it stays in place and it doesn't move around. Next, we're going to add water. We're going to add the flowers, actually, and then, so add the flowers to the vase like that. And then the other one. Just like that, and then add water. Ready? Okay, so add the water to almost the top, obviously to leave room for your floating candles. We also purchased the floating candles from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below, but these are supposedly very nice and they last a long time. So they should last, and just place it in the center like that. They also have two different sizes. These happen to be 2-inch, but they also have 3-inch, but the 3-inch is going to cost you more. So if you're on a budget, get the 2-inch. And then we'll just light it up and then you'll be able to see exactly how it looks. And it's very elegant on a budget. Obviously, like the tea lights are optional. And, oh. We got some water in there.